Getting ISO 9001-2015 certification makes Biorasi a distinctive CRO in the CRO industry. There are only 3 clinical research organizations in the world that has ISO 9001 certification. And from those 3, Biorasi is the only one that is full service global CRO.
Clinical trials are all about 2 things: patient safety and data integrity. Biorasi also understands that there is risk and opportunity in every clinical trial. And having that understanding puts us in a unique position, right? It allows us to see risks not only for what they are, but to see them as opportunities. Opportunities to do better and to be better.
Quality assurance plays an important role in the life cycle of the services that Biorasi provide. It enhances our ability to interpret trial data, develop new solutions to the potential challenges, and facilitate continuous process improvement.
I think the ISO certification is super important for our sponsors because it gives them the confidence that the processes being used to run their clinical trial has gone through the rigor of an ISO certification. Clinical trials are really complicated, and so much of the operational success is dependent upon having really strong oversight and control so that you can anticipate the challenges and respond before they impact timelines or quality. And so much of the ISO certification process was pressure testing our ability to identify, control, and respond in a consistent, repeatable way.
Having ISO certification drives our ability to define, monitor, and demand the same level of standards we established within our quality management systems from our study vendors. It also enables clear channel of communications and alignment on expectations, while creating uniform and reliable operating environment for us and our vendors.
Patients and their families are not only partners in research, but they're also vital contributors and stakeholders in our quality management process. So although as a CRO we may never know the patient's name, they're still directly affected by the things that we do in research. They're directly affected by the protocols that we write and design. They're directly affected by the systems that we set up for them, for example, like the ePro or other patient-reported outcome systems. And they're a vital part of the communication network that we set up for the study. So when we go to advertise or when we go to engage a patient advocacy network, patients are at the center of that communication wheel. So with this certification, I think that it really crystallizes our commitment to quality and excellence for patients and their families. And it shows that we not only think of patients as key partners in research, but also that we design our quality management framework with their interests in mind.
In order to get the ISO certificate, we need to focus on quality management system across the organization by developing, calibrating, and implementing the appropriate standard operating procedure. Also, we need to verify, evaluate, and revise the existing procedure as necessary.
There are really 3 reasons that ISO certification is important at Biorasi. First, it's a message to our employees about how we value quality. Second, it sends a message to our existing sponsors along the same lines, that they can trust us and have confidence in the value that we place on quality, the importance that we place on quality, and that it will be at the top of our agenda. And third, and perhaps most importantly, for sponsors who don't know us, it's a credible, independent certification and validation of our quality. We hope that sponsors who don't know Biorasi will view ISO certification as a reason to give us a try.